Today we're going to be installing 5 VM side skirts on this C8 Corvette. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott and today we are going to be installing these 5 VM side skirts from Extreme Online Store on this C8 Corvette. Now this car is a 3LT car, but it did not come with any aero on it at all. So I've done a video doing the high, I put a high and a low wing spoiler on this car, and so I let you where you could see what it looks like on both. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put on the side skirts here. Now this one I've already put on, so we're going to be showing you how to install the one on the other side because they are virtually identical on how you put it on. So sit back and relax and we're going to get this thing going. The first thing you're going to want to do before we get started going to put it on the car is that you're going to want to take the two-sided stick tape. And I've cheated a little bit here. You're going to see everything in its entirety except me trying to fight with the sticky tape, okay? So I already put the tape on, and you can see right here, I'm going to try to manipulate the skirt a little bit here. But I put the two-sided stick tape here, as well as running it all the way up underneath here, and then here, and then down, okay? And then what I did, if you can see here, is that I left, let me bring this over here, I left a little bit of the ear here, right? So I stopped the tape actually a little bit early, and I've got just the pull strip, okay? We're gonna make sure that these pull strips, I did that there, as well as over here, you can see right here, I did that here and over on this one. So then this way, when we get this pressed up against the car, we'll be able to slide it on and then lift up just a hair and slide the tape out and out of the way to make sure that it sticks onto the car as close as possible. So it's not really that hard to do. It's just you got to be very careful as you're lifting this up and setting it in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this lines up right here at the end. And then I'm going to go ahead and cheat a little bit and use a couple hockey pucks here to be able to kind of wedge this up so it will pretty much stay right where I want it. Okay. Now, if you have somebody that can help you, you don't have that worry. Okay. Otherwise, you could do the same thing and just kind of hold it up in place. So now let me see if I can get down here. I'm going to zoom the camera in just a little bit, and I'm going to try to go ahead and show you here that we have our skirt right here. Now I've got my little pull tab, okay, and I'm going to scoop my skirt in and get it right where I want it. I'm going to push it right up against the body, okay. If you don't do this, the sticky is going to stick onto the skirt or the side of the car. You'll never get this skirt anywhere close to the edge of the car. So you've got to use this technique to be able to pull the tape as you're going. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of pushing up a little bit, pushing kind of up on the bottom of the skirt and in. And that's going to allow a little bit of the pressure to release on the tape, so I can keep pulling the tape. It's kind of stuck right there. We'll see if we can get it started here. There we go. All right, and then we're going to go here. And we're just going to push up and in. And it's just going to be a little monster. See if we can get that to start. There we go. Okay, so we got that in. Now it's doing what I want it to do. Alright, so now we can get that going. And as you're doing this, you're pushing in toward the car and you're pushing down. And then you're going to continue to walk this all the way along, and you'll see it'll just go up against the car. It'll conform right to that. And then we're gonna keep going here. like that. Just like this. So when you're all done, you got a bunch of fingerprints, there's no doubt, but you can always wipe those off. Okay? Now that's holding pretty well. So now I'm going to sneak over here. And I'm going to go ahead and continue on with what I'm doing. Alright. Tilt up just a little bit. Pull. And there we go. That was all there was on that. Now we're going to push down. Now, we've got our two tabs here. Right? We got one that's going back toward the car. We're going to pull that one. Right to there. And then we're going to pull this one down. Alright. And there we have it. So that's stuck right up against the car. Okay. So now what we've got to do is we've got to go ahead and we've got to put some screws here on the bottom of the car to be able to hold this in place. But otherwise the majority of the job is already done, guys. It's a very simple job. It's a lot of prep work, but other than that, it's really good work, real easy. So, so this can actually be done on the ground. You just would have to jack it up a little bit so you can get some screws or rivets in there. And both in this kit, they included screws and rivets. I chose to use screws on the other side. Just pre-drill the hole a little bit, and then you can go ahead and get a screw right into the bottom of the body. So I'm going to move the camera down so you can see what I'm doing down below, and we'll show you just how simple this is to get done. So guys, hopefully you can see this. I've got you the right angle. You can see what I'm doing underneath here. Basically what we're doing is we're just going to go ahead and put some screws right along the bottom here periodically where we feel that it needs to go in, and because there is no predetermined holes. Okay, so I have gone ahead and I re-drilled, or I drilled through just through the skirting here just so I could get something started. Now watch this. You're going to see as I push, I'm going to push against the body a little bit on the skirt, and it's going to move that in just a hair. And then once I've got it in, then I'm going to start my screw, okay? So there's that. All right, so now that one's in nice and tight, okay? And it is right up against the body, which is the way we want it, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the same thing over here. It doesn't take a lot. It doesn't take a lot of screws. We're just going to go ahead and I'm going to do this. Let me see if I can get this back here just a hair. There we go. And we'll try to do it somewhere in this ballpark here. So we'll do another drill here. Just like right here. Okay, just through the skirt. Then we're going to take this little guy. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to come up here. And when we got that one set up in the very front, it pretty much set the rest of it. So we're just going to go ahead and do this. And I'm just going to push against it. Just like that. Then we'll come over here, we'll do it again. So it's not rocket science, guys. It's actually fairly simple to install these. So we're going to go ahead and we'll put another one right here. Yeah, you guys can see that. Okay. There we go. And then this one here, we'll have to scoot inboard just a little bit because I can feel it that it's a little bit off upstairs here. So let's go ahead and get that ready. We'll get this adjusted. And actually, that is really close. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and push this in just to say we did. Go. Okay. So then we need to put another one back here on the back side. So we're gonna go ahead and move the camera over here so you guys can see what we got going on over here. And we're getting close to being done, guys. We only got probably one more screw here that we need to put in. Okay, so we got our screw, and we got our drill, and we're gonna go ahead and we'll screw in about right here. Okay, again, just going through the skirt and through the body, and then we'll put this in here like that. We've got our, it's all up against it, everything's good, and there we go. So guys, take a look at that. Look how well that looks. All the way down. Meets up really nice. So guys, that's all there is to installing a set of these 5VM side skirts from Extreme Online Store. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put that information right here on the screen on where you can get these, as well as a discount code, which is Corvette channel, to be able to get a 10% discount, and not just on this, but on anything on their website. Now, I have been begging Extreme to be able to give me a discount to give to you guys, and they finally have done it, and I cannot tell you how long they will do it. But right now, it's in full force, and it works on everything that they sell. So you have to use the code that I'm going to go ahead and put here on the screen right now. It's a special link that was made just for Corvette channel. So when you click on that link, it's going to take you to Extreme Online Store, and it's going to look exactly the same, except it won't. If you don't click onto that link, I should say, then you won't be able to use the discount code. So you want to make sure that you use that link, and then you'll be able to insert the discount code to get your 10%. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that information here on the screen, as well as in the comment section, so it'll make it easier for you to just click on it. So again, that discount code is good for everything that Extreme Online sells, not just for the C8, but all of their stuff. Okay, so guys, I just want to thank you guys again for watching today. I know this was a little bit shorter video, which was what I was really trying to get done today, and not drag it out, and I'm going to try to do that more often. Another thing, we're going to be showcasing all of these parts on my new C8 that's coming here really soon. I just heard yesterday that I actually have a VIN number now. So my car is supposed to be built on September 6th and 7th, and I'm gonna make it in just before the strike, guys, you know, but hey, I'm just figure I'm lucky. So either late September or early October, you're gonna start seeing my car, and that will, I'm so excited about it that it's finally here. It's been a long coming, but you know, I kind of figure it really is true now that I got a VIN number. So anyway, guys, again, thank you guys all for watching. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell so you'll be alerted of our new uploads. And we're gonna be doing a whole bunch more C8 stuff now that I got my car coming, okay? So stay tuned, and again, thank you guys, and we'll talk to you later.